Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the channel. The question says, a particle moves in a straight line with a constant acceleration. It changes its velocity from 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second while passing through the distance 135 meter in t second. Now you want to calculate the t. Okay, so just imagine an object, it just moves in a straight line. Okay, there is rectilinear path. It have a constant acceleration. That means uniform acceleration. Even more, if you want to explain Aprina, it changes its velocity. Okay, when it changes its velocity, everything in a constant way, uniform way. So now the thing is, it changes its velocity from 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second. So that is u equal to 10 meter per second. That is initial velocity. Final velocity 20 meter per second. The distance is just passing through the distances 135 meter. So now you want to calculate the t. So how to apply the formula for this question? Very simple. So as a kinematic equation, so S equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square, right? So now ut plus 1 by 2, a we can also write it in the form, so v minus u by t. Yes or no? There is a change in velocity based on time. Now t get cancelled, so ut plus 1 by 2 v minus u t. Again ut plus 1 by 2. So vt minus ut. So ut plus just 1 by 2, make it inside. 1 by 2 vt minus 1 by 2 ut. So now ut minus 1 by 2 ut. So 2 ut minus ut by 2. Make a cross multiply, okay, these two things, plus 1 by 2 vt. So just subtract here ut by 2, vt by 2. Here the thing is u plus v by 2 and t, make it as common way. Okay. So this is the formula, main formula. So you don't want to do these kinds of steps. For this question, the formula, this one. I just derived how this formula it comes. So final formula for this question. So u plus v divided by 2t. Here S is the 135. U plus v, that is 10 plus 20, we have the 30 t. So now you want to calculate the t. So 135 2 divided by 30. So cancel here 3. So 75. So finally it will be 9. So t equal to 9 seconds.